Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Unong ilam jong kaseng Kongres ubadairu unong ilam jong kaliang persya hayeng dorbar thawan ke Jylla Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong bahagi ni kisngi gilami ki jingkren ben ki Pulit ke Jylla lai pau Rukom ha ka baki he Pulit ru kilas ngau le ran ye ke jingsha kren ben jong ki Pulit ulaong baki Pulit jong ke Jylla ki dai ki Tbit bat ki dai ru ki bala sha hikai he ki nong ai hikai ki bala Tbit Hynrei ki miolat ban trai lai lo ya ka kam ga jongki ha ka baki hab ban ko ngu ya ki bor ki banalor u Dr. Mukul ulaong bakani ka jia ka dai na ka daw ka jing bam ler jong ka sarkar ban Pynïaid kam ya ki bat ki officer kila sha kentat ha ka sarkar la hikai ki da kumwei la pentrai kampat da kumwei bat nalor nang ta ulaong ru baka Rukom penken ria kam ya ki kalalong sabapalan.
The Police Act 2010 is an offshoot of the police reform. The separation of judiciary from executive is an offshoot of administrative reform. And that's why, and not only that, you have many other institutions created. The Lok Ayukta, and then Police Act 2010 has a State Security Commission. You have the Police Accountable Committee. So many mandate of the law is designed in such a way that police is not influenced by any external forces. And because policing does not revolve around only maintenance of law and order. It goes beyond. The administration of justice, the investigation, the charge sitting, then ultimate process of law which takes part under the robust judiciary system that the nation has. Then subsequent to that, the overall pronouncement of the judgment, either convicting or otherwise. These are all important aspects of policing. That's why the whole need for administrative reform was considered as inevitable and must be done on timeline basis. You have seen, we have expeditiously separated the judiciary from the executive in the state of Meghalaya. We were one of the states which did it at the fastest pace. Today, you go and see the building for the judiciary in the district session judge court, not moving. I'm sorry, not moving. The High Court should take cognizance of that and act upon them. Why it is not moving? The money is diverted. The money which is meant for ensuring that the complete separation of judiciary from executive takes place, this money is diverted. Where is the priority? How will you have the whole impact of the effective administration of justice? There's so many things. Therefore, friends, the police reforms is part of the administrative reforms. The Police Act 2010 is an offshoot of that reform, which they are trampling upon. They have completely put aside all those, whatever were the mandate of the law. Transferring the police officers left and right. The police officers who have the spirit of true professionalism are sidelined. That's why I wanted the meeting of the State Security Commission. Each officer who is transferred, what is the reason? I'm telling you one thing. The Meghalaya's police organization is one of the most efficient organization, even now. But the fact is that there has been complete manipulation in the matter of posting and transfer of the police officers. The people who are committed to fulfill their responsibility as true police officers have been sidelined and are systematically being sidelined. There is a very dangerous trend that has taken place, and there is a reason why you see lots of negative comments on our own police organization. I see somebody commenting that, okay, other police organizations are much better. I will tell you, I will take the pride. One day, in the meeting with various other states and union government, we were talking about various police organizations. And I made it abundantly clear that because we have aligned our approach to deal with challenges, multiple challenges, wherein we need to rope in the involvement of police organization, They've been so well acclimatized. They've been provided training by some of the best trainers. But if you decide to use them for something else, then God said Meghalaya.